We have crazy animals making wolf snow angels here. Now, I know really they're scent rolling in something stinky under the snow, but it's still funny. Look at you silly people. Oh my God. Puppies. Grown-ups don't do this silly stuff, do they? No, they do not. My God. Bump, flomp. All right. How about we don't go all the way to the muck, whatever the muck is. You guys are so crazy. Let me just back up a little. You guys are going to be smelly. You're nutty. You're nutty. You're both nutty. All right, are we good? Are we good? How about we proceed? Hi, Noonie. Come on, Sonny. I think we're good. Come on. Hey. Oh, I'm getting dragged the wrong way. Come on. Let's go this way. Come here. Come on. Hey. Don't be chewing on that. Come on. Come on. Don't. Hey. That's not allowed. That is not. Hey. Unloose. Noonie. I'm gonna growl you. I'm gonna growl you. Urgh. You cannot chew on the lines. Urgh. Let go of it. Urgh. Thank you. All right. Sonny, come on. Let's go this way. Come on. Come on. Taking charge a little bit. We're going to go over the top of this thing here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Sonny, let's go. Hey, Noonie. This is not good behavior. All right. He realized he could leave a message on the landing strip, and that if they were willing to risk a landing, an arrow pointing towards the cabin would be sufficient message for them to see what it was he intended. And so, as soon as he reached the open swath with no trees, he began to lay the boughs he'd cut on the way, forming out a message in letters 4 feet high, the number 4 and the word Volkov, V-O-L-K-O-V, with one additional character, a directional arrow pointing towards the cabin. Then, right in the center of the small dining table, he placed the precious package with a note. Make sure Dr. Volkov gets this. It's important. He signed the note, Bix, with a smiley face. My God, you guys are just the craziest people today. I am not sure. I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes you know, sometimes you don't know. Right now, I don't know. I don't know what they're up to, but they're crazy people. Look at this. They're biting each other. They're rolling in the snow. They're going to drag me off a cliff. because I'm attached, but it's cute. Hey, don't eat the, that's the one thing that's not allowed. That's one of the few rules we have, is you don't chew the lines. Because they can cleave these things, even though they're big fat robes. They can cleave these things at moments if they put their mind to it. I've seen it happen. That's why I carry cables in my pack. That's right, I carry for every animal I'm with, I have an independent 16-foot long aircraft cable. 1/4 inch polyvinyl wrapped aircraft cable. Just in case. They're hard to handle on a walk, but they're pretty darn wolf-proof. Come on. These guys have been fun tonight. They're very playful.